Petite Ceinture is the last great wasteland in Paris.
It's a quiet place, a place that gives the feeling of freedom in a very, very crowded city.
It's an abandoned railway and it's 32 kilometers long, so it's a very huge place. Most of Petite Ceinture is separate from street level. At section like this, we are above Paris, and in other, we are deep below. So it's a bit hidden from the normal point of view. That's why also few Parisians know the Petite Ceinture. The Petite Ceinture was built to connect the station because in the beginning, all the stations in Paris have been built by different owners, so they are not connected together.
The Parisian metro was created by the municipality of Paris and became a direct rival of the Petite Ceinture, more modern with electrical rolling stock, whereas the trains of the Petite Ceinture were hauled by steam locomotives. The traffic of the Petite Ceinture decreased sharply, and in 1934 the passenger service closed. The Petite Ceinture had 29 stations. Today there are still 70 stations.
Most of the time just the platform remains. Montrouge station is very unique because the staircases are still there. A building was erected on the right stairs. In the next few years they plan to renovate all the station and nice bar and shop.
You feel in a different place. It's not Paris. There is nature, there is silence.
You can meet very different people on the small belt. Daniel, he decided to live here because he wants to stay alone.
Quand j'en ai eu marre de la France d'en haut, j'ai pensé à cet endroit et j'ai dit mais bon Dieu, mais c'est bien sûr, on y va. Et puis c'était libre, c'était bon, hop, et voilà. Et petit à petit, pendant 17 ans, youpi, j'ai rempli le... Et puis c'est un beau petit jardin naturel, à l'anglaise, que j'aime bien. J'aime bien les jardins à l'anglaise, mais à la française, ouf, compartimenté, là, tu sais, pouf, c'est pas bon.
Under this bridge, we can hear the sound of the metro station, the train coming and leaving.
Some candidates for the next mayoral election suggest that the line could be used for cycling routes. But in our association, we think that there is a problem of the long tunnels of the Petite Ceinture.
There are about 10 tunnels like this. This one is about 800 meters, so it's about 5 to 10 minute walk. And here in the middle of the tunnels, one of the entrances of the catacombs, a labyrinth of tunnels.
Our association is campaigning for modern passenger transport and to use the spaces next to the tracks for creating a small gardens, for small parks.
For me, I prefer to keep it abandoned because you can see the nature and you can forget you are in the city.
Alors c'est les petits-enfants des enfants les arbres, parce que c'est les petits là, de ce que j'ai connu il y a 60 ans en fait, ouais, quand je jouais là. Et ça, faut le garder, faut le conserver parce que c'est beau.